Okay, so what we will do in this video, that I will give idea what we will do in next videos, because we will what we can say, we will predict almost everything in cricket match. Okay, the prediction, it will not be exactly correct, it can be correct, it cannot be correct. So first we will see some announcements of videos, then we will see disclaimers, special disclaimers, and then what we will do, we will see some predictions. Okay, so first announcement is that I will make video on prediction of each and every ball. Okay, so I am predicting each and every ball, so it doesn't mean every ball will act like this, but what will happen, that some of them will match, some of them will not match. In the first video many predictions can go wrong. It is possible, because in first video I am predicting very randomly using these two things. Using these two things I will predict in first video, coin and dice. So what we will do, that of making video every day will not be possible because of batches every day. I will not be able to prepare video every day, but still I will try to make twice a week or thrice a week. And for each match, making a live stream for whole match will not be possible because of timing constraints and some other reasons also. So it is not possible to make analysis for whole match, but we will do analysis or prediction of first inning of that match. Whenever we will make the video or whenever we will live, at that time we will make prediction of first inning only, and at the end of that I will give prediction of a second inning in one or two lines only, and next day we will see what happened with that predictions. Okay, so this is one announcement. Then one more thing is there. Okay, we are making live predictions for first inning only for few matches, and for special matches like quarter finals, semi-finals, finals, we will make complete analysis for both innings if possible. I am not assuring you right now, but if possible I will try to make prediction for quarter final, semi-final and final for both innings, not only one inning. Okay, then these are about announcements, and you can also give your suggestions and any predictions about matches in comment sections in live chatting also. Okay, now it is time to give disclaimers. I hope some viewers are there. I am not only talking. Okay, so first thing is that they are predictions. So, and predictions are really fair. It will not be depend on my opinion, my personal opinion or any other's opinion. These will be completely statistical predictions, so no hard feelings for anything. Then it is just a prediction which can happen, which cannot happen. So if we fail to get correct prediction, it doesn't mean that statistics or mathematics is incorrect. It only means that we predicted it incorrectly. So the prediction is in our hand, but result is not. So it can match and cannot. So if it doesn't match, don't blame me. Okay, so this is about predictions and disclaimers. Then the next thing is how we will be in video, how we will make video. So first thing is, it is about prediction, so, and it is live prediction, so I cannot guarantee what exactly the flow will be there, but what we will do in that video, that I can tell. Okay, so in each video we will do some predictions, and in next video we will review the predictions of last day. Last day I didn't mean for the first inning, about the second inning, because we are not doing live second inning, right? So we will review that in next day, not exactly next day, the next video. Okay, then important thing is that how we will make the prediction. So for the first video, that is today's video, for I think which match is there today, Delhi Capitals and Kings 11 Punjab. These two matches are these two teams are there today. Okay, for these two, okay, the important three, I think first is inductive prediction. In inductive prediction, which means that we will come from backward to forward, or we can say past to present, and then anticipate the future. Like this, in like suppose I think everyone played that game of, I don't remember that name of that game, but still, suppose let's change the example. Suppose yesterday was sunny day, today is sunny day. So by inductive method, we can predict tomorrow will also be sunny day, which means we are coming from past, checking the present, and then confirming what will be, and then predicting what will be in future. And this is inductive prediction. Now in deductive prediction, again there are some types. So deductive is also like inductive, just it is reverse way. Then after deductive there is abductive prediction. Abductive is somehow different than first two. Then there are many types of predictional methods, predictional formats, which professional predictors use. Professional predictors. Now you can say, are there really any professional predictors? Yes, in large business models, or in large companies, or even in any business, we do predictions. Without prediction, not a single business can run. Now here are some more types, that ordinary least squares. I am just reading that names. I also don't know much more in detail about that for now, but still we will do that. The next is generalized linear models, that is GLM. Then logistic regressions. Regression is the favorite one in statistics. So it is connected to regression only, but we don't have to exactly solve everything, because softwares are there. You can use R programming or Python programming, or you can use Excel also, if you know how to use Excel perfectly. Then next is random forests. Random forest is just like what we are doing right now, random forest, but it is not really random. Random forest method is like first define the space, or define some things, define some rules. According to that, in that square only, in that part only, we will make random. Or otherwise, suppose for cricket match anticipation prediction, we use that method, then what will happen? In one ball, one player can make 100 runs, which is not practically possible, right? So we can say we are using that method in some way, not exactly that, but still we are using that in some way. Then next is decision trees, then neutral networks, then Mars is just abbreviation of this term, multivariate adaptive regression splines. Okay, what is that? That we will see forward when we predict something. Okay, now each and every video we will not use each and every prediction method. In the first video, that is today's video, we will use only these two things for prediction, dice and coin. And using these two things only, we will predict everything. Then on the next video, we will improve the way of prediction. We will take the another method. In next video, we will again improve the method, and we will check which method is nice for sports prediction, because we are predicting only cricket part. So I cannot assure that this method will be perfect for cricket, so it will be perfect for any other thing. everything can different, everything can have its own way or its own best ways to predict. Now I am talking about the day 1 video, that is today's video. Today there is match starting at 7:30 p.m. So we will be live on 7:20. We will be live on 7:20, and on 7:20 I will predict some things in very short, and then in match, in first inning time, we will predict time to time, for ball to ball we will predict that. Now one thing is that what we will predict, because predicting the runs for each ball will be very boring if we are doing only that. But we will do that, and we will do some more things also, that we will predict runs for each ball, each over, a set of 5 overs, set of 10 overs, 15 overs, and a whole inning. So that we will do in the beginning only, in beginning 10 minutes. Okay, again I am saying this is just prediction, so it doesn't mean that I know everything what is happening or what will happen. I am just predicting it using these two things. So you can keep your faith on these two things. Okay, for this video. From next video we will not use coin or dice. We will be improve the method, and we will take the next method in that. So this is about predictions, announcements of videos, and disclaimers I have given in the beginning only. So I hope you understood everything what we are doing and what we will do in future videos. Okay, now I am not making video for each and every match. I will only make videos, I will be live only for that matches which are at 7:30 p.m. because before that my schedule is packed. And for 7:30 matches also I cannot do every day, but I will try to make it twice a week or thrice a week, that we can do. I will try to do that. But in the video, let's say today is a video, then in today's video at the end I will tell when will be the next video. It will not be after 2 days or after 3 days. There will be at most gap of 1 or 2 days, so don't worry about that, that you will not see video for 1 week. No, not like that. We will be live on twice or at least thrice a week, at least twice. Let's hope I will be able to do that. And this is about everything of this video. But in this video we are going to do one more thing. We are going to do one more thing, that we will predict who will win today's toss, because toss is before the match, right? So toss part also we will do before. So suppose I am making video for let's say where the next match, let's suppose I am making video for 22nd September. I have decided to make video for 22nd September. Before that I have video today on 20th September. Then on 20th September's video only I will predict who will win the toss for 22nd September's match, so that there will not be any short video for 1 or 2 minutes. For that you don't have to come live for 1 or 2 minutes just to see who is winning the toss. Okay, for that also, how to do that, because here only I am here, no one is here. So who will decide who have heads and who have tails? Okay, let's do it randomly. Okay, let me give a second. What I can do, I can take two papers and I can make two parts of that. Oh, which two teams are there? First is Delhi and second is Punjab. I hope so. If I am correct, today is Punjab. Let me check. Yes, Delhi and Punjab. So I will throw these papers and whichever falls first, that will take head and other will take tails. So I am not throwing below because you will not able to see that, but I am throwing it from here. Okay, so this reached first and it is Delhi. Okay, so very pure way to decide this, but still we can do that. Okay, so Delhi will have heads. If head will be there, then Delhi will select batting. That I am assuming. Delhi will select batting. If there is head, it can change. So let's toss. Okay, it is tails. Means it is of Punjab. Now Punjab will select bat. So let's hope so. Today Punjab will select bat and Punjab will win a toss. No, not toss. It is toss. Let's hope Punjab will win toss today and it will select bat. Let's review this prediction in the beginning of today's video. Till that, if you have any doubts, you can ask in comment section, in live chats, or any suggestions you can give there. I am waiting here for few time. Okay, if you give reply on live chat, it is possible that I will reply to that after 10 to 20 seconds or more than that, because there is lag, I think so, lag of 10 to 20 seconds. So because of that I can reply late, but I will be here for 10 minutes. You can give suggestions what we can do and how we can improve these predictions. And that's it for today. If you have any suggestions, you can give here.